Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about hip mobility. One thing we see a lot in the clinic, people with different types of injuries, low back injuries, knee, hip issues, we have decreased hip mobility. So one thing we want to work on is improving that mobility because throughout our daily lives, movements we go through, squatting, bending, lifting, we often, if we don't have that mobility through our hips, we have to compensate through other joints like our back, our knees to get the motion done. So today I'm going to be showing you a great stretch that you can do every day to improve your hip mobility. All right, so you're going to get down on the ground, okay? And it's called 90-90 position, right? So 90 degrees bent at the hip and the knee, and one leg in the front is externally rotated, and then the back leg is internally rotated. So we're going to stay upright facing the front leg, and you can lean forward, lean into that stretch a little bit. This is stretching our glutes, our hip rotators. You're going to stay in this position for about 30 seconds, up to 30 seconds. And then we're going to lean out of it and then stretch the back leg. All right, so we're going to rotate back, and then we're stretching this leg into internal rotation, which is really important. Same thing, you can hold it up for like 30 seconds. And then we can switch and rotate and do the other side. All right, so we'll spend some time leaning forward, almost like that pigeon pose, classic yoga pose. And then we'll rotate out and work on the right hip internal rotation. All right? So you can transition back and forth, working either side. Do like 3 times on each side for about 30 seconds. Try this every day to improve your hip mobility. All right?